Welcome to this tutorial on how to set up and manage customer support tickets in Odoo. With Odoo's customer support module, you can easily manage and track customer inquiries and support requests. To get started, navigate to the Help Desk menu and click on the Tickets option. Here you can create a new support ticket by clicking on the New button. You can then add all the relevant information about the ticket, including the customer's name, contact information, and the nature of the request. So in this case, let's say product arrived damaged. Sign to, can I say Sally admin? Priority, let's give it a high priority. Let's see a type, return, tags, let's give it other. And let's see customer, we're gonna say it's Michelle Elliott. There we go. You can also assign the ticket to a specific support agent or team and set a priority level for the requests. Once you've created a ticket, you can use the ticket management features to track its progress and ensure that it's resolved in a timely manner. As you can see here in our stages. To configure the ticket management settings, navigate to the configuration menu, and here you can set up the ticket stages, priorities, and teams, as well as configure email templates and other settings. With Odoo Support module, you can easily manage and track all customer inquiries and support requests, ensuring that your customers receive the best possible support experience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other Odoo tutorials for more tips and tricks. Bye!